Hello everyone, my name is Jed. I've been studying and living in Thailand for the last 3 years from Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm currently 21 years old and I've been trying to get one of my homies to pull up to Thailand for years now. And finally my boy Mikey, he locked in, he got the flight and it's real. I picked him up last night and the first stop had to be Pattaya. If you don't know Pattaya, it's like the Vegas of Thailand in my opinion. I hope you guys enjoy and have a good one.
Hello bro, smoke weed.
Hello. That's funny.
Do we have weed?
I got weed.
Okay.
Going to the walking street. We're gonna show my boy what's up. Let's turn it up.
Oh, it's just low time?
For the time of the day, I guess. Yeah, the only weed, bro. That's why. Hold up. Only weed. That's crazy. The Moy
John Juan's a pair, dude. I need to get him one.
We could get you.สุดยอด
ต้องจ่ายค่าบัญชีของคนละพัน
ได้ไปแล้วครับ
ไม่ที่เสียเป้าจริงๆครับ
ได้ไปแล้วนะบอกแล้ว
เป้าจริงๆไม่ฟรีนะไม่ฟรีครับ
ซื้อ200ครับ
ได้อยู่เนี่ยเตะเมื่อน่ะเราสอนมวยสอนอะไรน่ะ
อันนี้
ต้องเสียค่าสอนมวย
ไม่ได้ครับ
ไม่ได้นะทำงานนะ
200จ่ายไปแล้วครับบอกเขา
เสียทุกคนนะเขาเรียกเสียทุกคน
พี่บอกเป็นฟรีครับพี่บอกฟรี
นั่นเลยบาทวันเลยบาทโลแบมนั่นเลยบาท
He's trying to make us pay 1,000.
Yeah, I keep trying to get that.
I said we can do 200.
Oh, fucking them kicks hurt, bro.
Yeah.
After you do like 6 of them in a row, they start building up.
You know, I have the tattoos where it's like the Buddhist religious tattoos. I have the same one on my back.
What does it represent?
It's just like a Buddhist, it's like a blessing. Oh. Oh, he's taking them. He's taking them. Ow!
That was bad.
We got my San Miguel. We got the Long Island. In front of the Mr. Veg Indian.
Chicken biryani,
Chicken biryani?
99 baht.
Bro, I love chicken biryani.
You do?
Do you like it?
I've never had.
It's actually really good. It's like
heard-
almost like rice,
It's either
but like a spicy.
I think it's Bagna or Samui. They said it's the best Indian food ever, so
Yeah.
I gotta go find that.
Oh,
later.
dude.
Is it Indian?
You can
restaurant?
find really good Indian food all over Thailand.
I want to try some good butter chicken.
Oh yeah. You already know. Made it. We're on the beach, Pattaya Beach. What is this? Is this like your first real day, right?
This is the first
How are
day.
you feeling? What's the
Still
vibe?
doesn't feel real.
That's what's up.
It's an interesting place out here. That's all.
Yeah, it's definitely interesting.
It's an interesting environment.
Yeah, they got everything you could look for.
You got everything that you want and don't want.
Yeah,
That's the place he was talking about. Siam Siam.
Oh, Siam. That's the Russian guy at one of the cafes. Told us that we should go to Siam. He said it was a good spot. So they got like a pool rooftop. We'll see. It looks like it would be nice. Yeah, you could kind of see behind us. We got the beach. There's a lot of people at the beach. It's like, what time is it?
2 a.m.
Bro, 2 a.m. There's a good amount of people at the beach. Oh yeah.
OK， 过来排队，这里大家在玩游客。
So we made it to the Sanctuary of Truth. We're gonna be checking it out, showing Mikey. They didn't have the discount for Thai people, but it's okay. I don't think it's really a temple.
I keep moving this one here. Information here we have. Excellent process of carving. For example, this one here. So this one is the plan. All everything we do by hand. Using different size of cheeses, right? That's why it takes time.
He's purring.
Damn, bro, this is a crazy angle. What's up, my brother?
I'm running out of iPhone storage. I gotta delete a bunch of apps.
Damn, son, my boy's out of storage and stuff. I actually don't think it. I don't know who it was built by. I think it was built by a billionaire from what I looked online, but it is a cool architecture. That is for sure. Looks like it's been like polished. The one with the heads right there, that's trippy. Got that selfie stick. Here you
Oh,
go.
well, when did you pull that out?
Huh?
Did you have that on you the whole time?
Yeah, it's just like it extends out.
Fun.
There's like a crazy architecture. Look at that. Just chilling. Bro, that's crazy. Because we had some problems with the flight, so we didn't plan well, so we gotta catch our flight in Bangkok last minute.